Bless you. Goodness, Peyton. You got something going wrong with your nose, huh?
Is it tickling?
No, not tickling. It's running, Gigi.
It's running? Well, it's good you've got a tissue.
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bless you. You have to blow it now. Blow it and wipe it like a little lady. There you go. Bless you, Peyton.
Bless you, guys.
Bless you.
Bless you, guys.
Bless you.
Guys,
Are
you a dinosaur, guys?
No, are you a dinosaur?
No.
What are you?
I'm the pear.
You're the pear. Are you done with your tissue? It's wet. Here. You finished blowing your nose and sneezing?
Bless you.
Bless you, Pepe.
Nana?
Yes.
You the earth, Nana?
What?
Are you the earth?
Nana.
Uh-oh.
It's tempting.
Uh-oh. Say bless you, Nana.
Bless you, Nana.
Thank you, Pepe.
Guys, you a dinosaur, guys?
No,
Guys, we're not a dinosaur. We're
dinosaur.
just guys.